you recollect in previous session, I was trying to run this SQL query. Let's run it again and see what happens. So we see it's returning 2 record. So it means somewhere I'm doing the mistake. Technically it should return the way this is returning. So like this, it returns how many records? 34 record, I think, maybe 16 record. So let's see what mistake we are doing. Let's carefully debug this particular statement. So what we have done, select staff from employee, where employee name in, let's make a little bit space. So if I have first name, then I have comma, then I have second name. Oh, here I'm missing a comma. That's where thing went wrong. Okay, now it's clean. Let's try to run this particular statement and see, it should return 16 record. So let's run it. Okay, good. Now it's returning 17 record. How about before? Yeah, it's actually not the number of record. It's returning the correct number of record. It just uh, this is just a number of run. It's not actually a number of record. Okay, so we are good. It's returning same number of records. This both two queries are equivalent. Now sometimes to find out like how many rows it would return, most of the database provides a function which is called count star. So let's touch base on that also. So to know, like to confirm like what I said is correct, the way to do it is instead of running select star from, we can do select count star from to get the actual number of records written. So let's try to run this particular query and see how many records it's returning. What's the number it's returning? Returning number 6. Now we do the same thing for our in query. So we do select count star from employee, where in, employee name in. Let's run it. We click executes, execute. So it's returning 6 record. So which confirms our theory. What theory is like this: both statements are equivalent. Then in help to make the thing more readable. That's all it is. Similarly, in can also be used for a integer data type. So you can say like where select count star, or where age in. Let's say you want only some particular age, let's say 24 and 34. But you cannot combine. You cannot use this particular statement. Let's try and run it and see what happens. So you'll get in. So this one will be ignored basically, because age is an integer, so this will be ignored. So let's try to run this and see. It's the same thing, 1. Okay, so that's the good thing. Thank you.